Top of the news today, the mass killer had still not been found. He or she has been killing over 42 people and counting. The police is requesting that the public may come forth with any information. A reward will be given. And now news, Sienna Kalisa.
You, Choni, have you been listening to the news lately?
No, not really. The news are boring. And you know I'm on Fashion Nova most of my time.
Obviously you are on Fashion Nova. I mean, in the country we live in, it's messed up, you know? Plus, being a woman is hard. You have to focus on corruption. You have to focus on gender-based violence and rape. Then when are you focusing on Fashion Nova?
That's why I have a friend like you in my life.
Anywho, there's a mass killer that's killing a lot of people.
Oh, I heard about that guy.
Yeah, then you must be cautious.
You know, Mina, let me tell you. If we'd meet and he tries something on me, I'd fuck him up and teach him a lesson. And like, I'll rearrange his face. Not even his mom would recognize him.
How would you know it's him?
Show me simple. You can see a killer.
How is the question?
It's like looking at a hobo, you can see he's hobo. Same way, when I look at a killer, you can see he's a killer.
Are you for real? Are you serious?
Hold that thought.
What's going on?
Let me call the Uber driver. Ngoba he's taking a different route.
Yeah, call him. Because we have to be in there quick.
Period. Sizwe. Hi. Are you the Uber driver? Yes, it's Swazi, your pickup. Listen, I noticed you're taking a different route. So from where you are, please turn right. Turn right, go upwards, and then on your first stop, turn left. Yes, we'll be on your right. It's the two of us. Okay, bye. Charm.
Why don't you like making yourself a big and big and 18 million superhero? You know how men and powerful men are and greedy. Every 2 hours, there is someone missing, raped, or even worse.
Oh, Chomi Aski, you take everything seriously now.
Imagine if you were in that situation.
Chomi, so what about Chom?
Rest.
Yeah, I know I did. Anyway, so let's say the Almighty God gives you the chance to choose your own death, how you gonna die and everything like that. What would you choose?
I mean, you know me, I talk a lot. So then they'll be irritated by me talking a lot. So they'll be like, you know what? I don't want to tell them what's illegal.
Ugh, boring. Make it interesting, hun.
You know what? Let's ask the driver. Driver, how would you kidnap us?
What do you mean?
As in, like, if you had the opportunity to kidnap and kill us, how would you do it?
I'd rather not say.
Oh, Luena, please don't be boring. Come on.
I'll firstly be all kind and friendly to you girls, so you guys can be comfortable. And I'll even take it to the extent where I act gay, because girls just fantasize about having a gay best friend. I'd lock the doors, even though there's no need, because child lock is on. I drive slow, and even slower. Play some loud music so you girls will be distracted from the fact that I'm not following the GPS. I'll take it to a discreet, secret location where I can do whatever I want.
Driver!
Yeah?
As I said, how would you kill us?
I wouldn't rather say.
Oh, you know what? I hate it when people do this. They tell you one thing, and then dololo. As if it's like a water.
And like Vela, one question, why wouldn't you tell us?
Well, the same way a magician never reveals a secret, the same way a killer never reveals himself.
What the fuck? This is scary.
Okay. Can you get off here?
Okay, yeah, I think we're fine. Yeah, we can.
Yeah, sure.
We're fine.
No, we're right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yo, show me.
No.
That is the killer.
I think the same.
No, we need to definitely and take a screenshot because no. Okay.
I'm going to